No, we're here. We're back. About to do some headlight restoration.
Yep.
Back to factory spec right here. Hopefully it works now. But headlight restoration. Alright, fourth time's a charm. Let's try this again. We're back again. Another fucking stupid Magnum mod.
Yeah.
Headlight restoration. Here it is. Fucking
Some good old mothers.
Newland's mothers. But it's supposed to do this. Probably won't.
My mom never lied to me, so this shit should work.
I guess you should pull the car in just a little bit so we don't have to do it in there. But I'll get the drill and get on that. Got the drill, got the car here. Alright. What did it say to do first? Alright. So.
Good old driftwood of this.
Alright. It says here we need variable speed drill, yada yada yada, tape, spray bottle. Micro tail. We got the tail. Guess that's good enough. We'll get the water later. But
It might not work.
what are we gonna try? There you go. Okay, yeah. Just put the towel right there behind it all.
That'll fuck.
Yeah,
Right
that'll
up
work.
on top.
That'll work.
You think that'll? Oh, it's not even worth it.
It doesn't matter. Honestly.
Yeah, we just fuck that. Fuck that idea.
Well, you can keep it up. It doesn't matter. But
Yeah. Won't get my hood.
yeah.
That's good at least.
Uh.
I overheard the trick. Like you're supposed to heat it up till its melting point, to where the oils come out. And these aren't dry and brittle, so I could restore them.
Yeah, because baking it in the sun didn't do the job.
I believe it.
But we're fucking dicking around. We got the Doritos. Are you even seeing a difference?
Not really. Honestly.
That's what I'm saying. See, all that top shit might need just sandbag. It's kind of rough. Yeah, just hit it with that.
Hit it with this.
Don't go like the grittiest, I don't think.
I'm trying to not get the grittiest, so I think it's this one.
Step up from the grittiest.
There's only two kinds there.
Put that shit on.
Maybe?
Yeah, you're supposed to. So you don't just like you just did. Go slow, kind of smear it around. Clean out them rough spots, you know what I mean? Spots you can really feel. Bumper. That's why I said need tape, I think. Alright, this video has just been all fucking fail. This shit didn't work at all, but we're just cleaning it off now. Fuck it. The light looks so much worse now, bro. Like just, yeah. Don't use mother's kit. It didn't work for shit. But that was cool. Yeah. Fuck you, mothers. Fuck your mother, Choni Ma.
Lie to me.
But yeah, your mother's lied to you. No, yeah. Don't buy it. It didn't even really go to work. So
fucking.
Whether we're just that fucking stupid, I don't know. No, it was trash. You see what it did. But still want to try it on mine. Just want still hit the record button with my finger, but you can vacuum your car if you want. I'll help you. We don't gotta record that part, so it'll be the end of the video. Be a short one.
Me too.
Just do it while it's here. Alright, we're doing that. Deuces till you see us next time. Hit us with the outro.
Forgot it.
Fuck yeah. Alright, that was the outro. Forgot it. Send it off on one of these and we're gone.